Advocate Deepika bravely took the case of Asifa from Katwa and rose to national attention with support of Youth League National Committee. We thank you for coming over to Tanur to be part of this historic event, madam. Please.
ദീപിക സിംഗിന്റെ പ്രഭാഷണം പരിഭാഷപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത് MSFന്റെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനി വിഭാഗത്തിന്റെ ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി കൂടിയായിട്ടുള്ള അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് നജ്മ തബിഷീറയാണ്. അവൾ
പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, മുഹമ്മദ് ഫയാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു കുട്ടിയെ കാണുന്നില്ല. രക്ഷിതാവ് നമ്മുടെ വേദിയുടെ പുറകിൽ കാത്തു നിൽക്കുന്നു. മുഹമ്മദ് ഫയാസ് വേദിയുടെ അരികിൽ വന്നു രക്ഷിതാവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെടേണ്ടതാണ്.
Good evening, everyone. Namaskaram, assalamu alaikum. It's my pleasure that I'm every time called and I get this much of love and support from you. I get respect from you. You have elevated me today. You know what is elevation? Elevation is rising someone. So you have elevated me. You elevated me when everyone called me an anti-national. You elevated me when people said she's against the community. But I got love and care. I get support and respect from Kerala. So I'm thankful. I'm thankful to you all. You know what? It is very difficult for activists to fight in the present diaspora. And I have heard a lot of stories about our PK Feroz Saab. I'm so sorry, I forgot his name. PK Feroz Saab, I've heard that he has been a voice. He has been raising voice against the defects. He has been raising voice. He has the strength to question. And that is how. See, I tell you one thing. I'm a live example in front of you. Recently in November 2020, there was an FIR against me. Registered by, it is a political FIR. Registered by BJP. Right? Because BJP cannot afford to have activists around. So that is how our contestant, your hope, your support, your strength is today. He has become an eyesore. He has become an eyesore for the opposition. Because he is an activist. Because he has the strength to ask. And the one who asks and the one who raises voice becomes always an eyesore. So it is very important. One second. So it is very important that you support him. Because we want such people in assembly. Because if such people will not be there in the assembly, who will raise your voice? Who will raise voice for you? Who will bring good law for you? Who will ask for the implementation of the law? Who will ask for the implementation of the rights of the women? Who will come and raise voice for your children in future? So it is very important. It is very important that you make this man win. So together, all of us will raise 2-3 slogans, right? I'm really very sorry I cannot speak your language, and that's the only defect. And I feel so bad. I feel so bad for that I cannot speak Malayalam. Had I been in position to speak Malayalam, oh, that would have been such pleasure for me that I would have been in a position to converse with you the way they have conversed, right? So I try my level best to put my emotions together, put my respect together for all of you. So today, since we had such beautiful and successful rally, it was a road show, and I think message has gone clear. Message has gone clear, right? Message has gone clear to the opposition. You have already shown your strength. You have already shown your support, right? So saw this man who is requesting for support, who is requesting for strength, who is requesting for your love and your care and respect. Right? So let's raise slogans for him. We will together say, PK Feroz! PK Feroz! PK Feroz! If at all you want opposition to, get a tough competition, then you need to be louder. Louder means, what do we say louder in Malayalam? Okay, you say. Okay, louder. I am very sorry, I can't speak Malayalam. Right, next time I'll try to learn some of the words. Okay, louder. Very louder. Right? Is that a promise? Is that a promise? Is that a promise? PK Feroz! 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 You know what? I like a slogan. You know what is that slogan? And when we all were contesting against what was that? CA and NRC, we rose, a lot of slogans. One of the slogans was, किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है.
I can't see, I can't hear. So show me the strength. किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है.
You know why? Why is this slogan close to my heart? Because BJP feels कि हिंदुस्तान उनके बाप का है. ये संघ परिवार सोचता है कि हिंदुस्तान उनके बाप का है. हिंदुस्तान की रजिस्ट्री उनके बाप ने करवाई है, तो हिंदुस्तान हमारे बाप का है. हिंदुस्तान मेरे बाप का है, आपके बाप का है. तो एक बार बोलते हैं फिर से, किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है, किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है, किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है. PK Feroz, PK Feroz, PK Feroz, PK Feroz. You know what? It is. Okay. Okay, consider. No need. Oh, I'm very sorry. I am really very sorry. I am really very. Forgive me.
ഇല്ല, മനസ്സിലാവും.
Forgive me. Okay. I'll tell you something. I'll tell you something. You know what? You know Pragya Thakur? Pragya Thakur is one of the MPs in Parliament. And the woman was booked under stringent laws. And imagine the woman who was booked under stringent laws is there in the Parliament making law for me, making for law for you. Shame. Right? So we need people like him. We need people like PK Feroz who have the strength, who have the guts. Because ultimately, you know what works ultimately? Guts. You know what works ultimately? Strength. You know what works ultimately? The conviction, the will, and the person who doesn't have the conviction, doesn't have the strength, cannot fight for you. He will succumb to the pressure. Let me share today with you all something very important. At the last moment, I received so much of pressure not to do this rally. But my conviction, my decision, my support is with this man. I have come from Jammu, leaving my daughter there, leaving my daughter to the maid. So, when I have come from Jammu for this man, why can't you be with him since you are putting up together? Right? So it is very important that you support each other, that you be together, because ultimately You need someone who has the voice, who has the heart beating. You know, it is very important your heart should beat. And the one who is sensitive, whose heart actually beats is a person, is a human rights person actually. So it is very important that you support this man. Few months back, I think during COVID period, during COVID lockdown, I came to know about 2 brutal rape cases of this place. One took place in Palyathai and the other one took place in Walayar. Right? Unfortunately, that the present government could not be in a position to get the victims justice, to get the parents justice. And one of the cases, Palathai case I was following from Jammu. Palathai case I took up with the Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. And Palathai case I took up with the Commissioner Police of Kerala. It is very important that had this government, had the women minister in the government, the women minister who is in the government and whose constituency this rape case took place, had she been sensitive towards your rights, towards women, I think the girls would have got justice. Right? So it is very important that you elect people who are sensitive, who come to you, who hear you, who are down to earth. It is very important that you elect people who are down to earth. It is not important that you elect BJP, that you elect CPM. Right? Support this man, and I am sure he will come to your expectations. He will live up to your expectations, because the Constitution of India gives you right to be in the government, to run the government, and you can run your government through this man. And if you don't have a right person there, how can you run the government? Please think about it. Right? So it is very important that you run the government properly through a right representative. Right? So it is very important. I heard Mamata Banerjee, जिनको हम दीदी बुलाते हैं प्यार से हम सब, she wrote a letter to all the political leaders of the country and said that we need to be together, we need to join hands together to fight against BJP. Because BJP is dividing the country. BJP is dividing the country, the nation, bringing bad name to the nation at international level. I don't know, seriously speaking, I don't know what this Prime Minister of India possesses. I really feel from the core of my heart that he is not worth to be the Prime Minister of India. He is not worth to be the Prime Minister of this great country. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not worth to be the Prime Minister of this country. We need a secular Prime Minister. We need a Prime Minister who has the vision. We need the Prime Minister who is my Prime Minister and your Prime Minister. We don't need a Prime Minister who belongs to Sangha Parivar. We don't need a Prime Minister who belongs to a group of people or who belongs to his friends. Right? The farmers are dying. Go and meet the farmers. They are dying on the roads. They face the cold. They faced winter. Now the summer is approaching, and our Prime Minister is deaf and dumb. He can't see, he can't hear. He can only see and hear. He can only see and hear those people who belong to him. So it is very important that you decide, that you get together, that you elect right people. Because it is very important that in assembly or in the parliament, you have the like-minded people. And everything depends on you. Understand the value of your vote. All the youth sitting here, understand the value of your vote. Your value of vote is that you can run the government And if you don't vote for a right person, you will never be even contacted. You will feel that, oh, kisko chun liya? Right? So it is very important that you realize strength of your vote. And this man, see, he's being targeted. I have heard a lot of stories, right? I have heard about the conspiracy also, which has triggered because he is there, because he has highlighted the defects of the present government, right? And that is why he is being targeted. Trust him, have faith on him. I'm sure he will serve you. I'm sure he will take your voice to that place where the law is made. I'm sure he will do it, right? So have faith on him. Yeah. So when Kathua was going, when Rasana rape and murder case took place, I received all the support from them. It was not possible without your support. I received support from you. You are putting an update on Facebook, or you are putting a tweet is our support, because then you show we are there with you. So I am thankful for the support that they have extended to me when I was fighting, right? So this is the time, like a very good one of my brothers right here said that Kathua cannot defeat him. Any conspiracy cannot defeat him, right? You will make him win, and you promise to me that you will make this man win, right? So thank you so much. I get all the love, I get all the support. This gentleman Ahmed Saju and his Ahmed Saju, my brother, and his team has been so caring, has been so supportive to me, that whenever I come to Kerala, it is like God's country and it is like home to me, right? So once again, before I finish, no, doesn't matter. These things should not matter. Doesn't matter. Please look at me. Okay. Turn your mobile phones on. Light on.
നിങ്ങളുടെ മൊബൈൽ ഫോൺ
Okay.
ലൈറ്റ് ഓൺ ആക്കി
All of you, turn the battery of your mobile phones on. Beautiful, very beautiful. Yes. Everyone together. Now we will raise slogans. So we can say UDF,
ജിന്ദാബാദ്
UDF,
ജിന്ദാബാദ്
UDF,
ജിന്ദാബാദ്
PK Feroz,
ജിന്ദാബാദ്
PK Feroz,
ജിന്ദാബാദ്
PK Feroz.
ജിന്ദാബാദ്
See, I am so loud and you are not. PK Feroz, PK Feroz, PK Feroz, PK Feroz, UDF, बोल रे साथी हल्ला बोल,
हल्ला बोल
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 बोल रे साथी हल्ला बोल.
हल्ला बोल
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
All of you, please all of you. किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है,
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है,
किसी के बाप का थोड़ी है.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है.
बोल रे साथी हल्ला बोल.
हल्ला बोल
PK Feroz,
जिंदाबाद
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 PK Feroz, PK Feroz,
जिंदाबाद
PK Feroz,
जिंदाबाद
PK Feroz,
जिंदाबाद
PK Feroz,
जिंदाबाद
UDF,
जिंदाबाद
All of you, clapping, please clap. UK, PK Firoz, PK Firoz, PK Firoz, UDF, UDF. I love you all. Thank you so much.